I explored how LiteLLM is configuring guardrails from third-party providers. Now, this is a very critical feature in any AI gateway where um, we should be able to configure the non-negotiable guardrails at the AI gateway level, right? Irrespective of what applications, agentic applications, processes, if they want to access a model, this non-negotiable guardrails needs to be invoked. Definitely, like as part of your use case, you might want to add use case or domain specific guardrails, but some of the guardrails like prompt injection, PII de-identification, right, those may need to be um, at the gateway level so that it is applied consistently across the organization. Right. I explored how this integration works with LiteLLM, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate as part of this recording. Right. So for the demonstration, I installed LiteLLM in my Docker instance and brought it up at the 4000 port, right? And through the UI of the gateway, I went to AI gateway, the guardrail section, and then this is how I added the Google Model Armor template based guardrail. Let me click on this at provider guardrail. I'll give a name to it. I'll say Armor 02. I could be more expressive with this name. Just for the demonstration, I did not want to use a lot of my thought tokens. Now let me, okay, so if you see there are many options, right? I can use Presidio, I can use AWS Bedrock Guardrail, Lekera, Guardrails AI, AIM Guardrail, OpenAI Moderation, Lasso, IBM Guardrail Detector. Then this is where the Google Cloud Model Armor is. Let me see what else is there. Yeah. So Google Cloud Armor, Model Armor is what I'll pick now. And where do I need to apply this guardrail? By default, pre-call, I would like to also do, let's say, post-call. There are other options during call, logging only runs on logging callbacks without affecting the LLM call, right? Before MCP tool call, right? So these are some of the, during MCP tool call, these are some of the other options, right? So let me do the post call as well. Always on, I want it to be applied to all requests by default. Template ID, right? So this is where I need to give the template, the Model Armor template. So let's create the Model Armor template. For that, let me go to my GCP account. I'm in Model Armor, create template. I created a template earlier. Now let me recreate this Armor 02 region. I want to create it in central region. Label, I'll not put the labels right now in production. It is very important so that proper cost attribution can be done. But right now I will ignore. This is my personal account, and after this I'll delete these resources. So detection, malicious URL detection, prompt injection and jailbase detection. These are the guardrails that I want to put. Sensitive data protection, right? The sensitive data protection, for now, I'll put the basic one. Advanced is where I can create my own inspection templates, but I will use what Google already has, which are this one: credit card number detection, financial account number, GCP credential, GCP API key, password, US social security number. This is what we'll use to test our guardrail integration with LiteLLM. Then you have TIN as well, right? So let me go back here. Okay, to Google Armor template. Okay, so detection type is basic. For prompt injection, let me say the confidence level should be high, and then um, the rest of them are these are um, content controls, content filters. I'll keep them as is. I will so for hate speech, dangerous prompts, sexually explicit harassment, right? These are uh, content security controls, right? So let me create this. Now my model armor template is created. I'll take this name, go back to LiteLLM, put my template ID here. Project ID is this, right? This project ID, I took it from, like, this is my project ID, and this is my location. So the location also I will put this. Credentials, I created a service account. This is the service account I created. Let me show you. Model armor service account, and I gave it, if I go to edit principal, I gave it model armor user as a role and created a key in JSON, right? That is what I downloaded this JSON. And since I use Docker to install and bring up LiteLLM, I went to my Docker desktop installation, or the Docker desktop, like where my container is running for this LiteLLM. Ideally, this is not how we'll do it, just for showing the demonstration. So I imported the JSON, that secrets or the credentials JSON, under the user folder of this the container where the LiteLLM is running. Production, I probably will create a Kubernetes secrets, or I'll pull it from a secrets manager and all, right? So right now I just for the demonstration, because I'm going to delete anyway all these resources after doing this, but I imported this credential JSON of that service account that I created with model armor use, right? So this is what I will put it here, that my credentials are in user. Yeah, this is where my GCP credentials are for using the model armor template, right? Let me now next. So I am done creating it, right? So my guardrail is created. Prior to that, I already configured my model, OpenAI model. And in this recording, I'm not going to demonstrate this, but this is very easy. You can go to add model, add your model, put the API key, right, and put budget controls and all, right? So this I have already configured. I can use any model from OpenAI. The other thing that I did is I created a virtual key, right? Virtual key is the LiteLLM API key that will give your teams, and while creating the key, you can restrict to what models they can use, what resources they can use, right? This is also very intuitive. So this is the key that I will give it to my developers or the team of developers, so that they can use the resources that are configured through the LiteLLM gateway, right? So this is the other thing that I did. Now I think we are ready to show the demonstration of how this guardrail will be executed, right? So let me go to the command. I run a curl command, right? So if you see the curl command, I have the localhost 4000 chat completion. The bearer token is a LiteLLM virtual key that I created. I am saying that I'll use GPT 5.1, and the content I'm giving is, hi, my SSN is 44567890. This is a fake SSN that I just randomly took some numbers. But let's see if I now run it. So our guardrail ID is marmar02, right? So let me copy this, go to my, okay, so this is where my command line CLI is. Let me run this now. Oops, it says invalid JSON payload, invalid unexpected control character. Okay, so is it because of this? Oops, no. Okay, so there is some problem with my this JSON. Let's see where the problem is. Okay, invalid. Okay, let's see, maybe this is the one. Yep. Okay, so yeah, there the tick was incorrect, so I corrected it. So now see, when I say my SSN is 445678902, content is blocked by model armor, right? What it blocked? So it checked for all the basic uh, inspection templates, but it said, okay, you had US social security number, likelihood is likely, location. Um, it gives a location. I think this is um, the start character and the end character, right? So if I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? Yeah, this is where the start is, and then gives me the end character as well, right? That this is what I have. Um, this is where I have identified, detected it as a SSN. Credit card number also should work. If I say my, actually I don't know a good credit card number template. Driver license, I think I can. Let me see how a driver license template, or let me look at how a credit card template looks like. A create credit card template. I'm just googling a credit card template. Let's see how it looks like. Credit card number template. Credit card number template. Let's see. Let me get one. Credit card number template. Okay, so I think I have a number template. My credit card number is 41111111111111. This probably is a valid credit card number. Let's see what it does. Yeah, content blocked by model armor, and this time it is the credit card number. Likelihood is very likely, and it gives me the location also. So this is what I wanted to show as part of this recording today, to see how model armor template can be integrated through LiteLLM AI Gateway. Thank you.